Hyperliquid. So Hyperliquid has become a proper mainstay in that top 20 cryptos, and I still think there's room for this to go up. The amount of activity that's happening on Hyperliquid is staggering. So we're going to dive into why I think this can continue rising. Now, before I get into it, if you're new here, the spreadsheet shows the first 26 coins that I did videos about on the channel. In the videos, I show myself buying up all of these coins. These were all cryptos that I thought could do very, very well, could make a lot of money, which is why I show myself buying them. These were the prices when I recorded it and released my videos. These are the highs these coins hit in the last bull cycle, and these are what your profits would have been if you'd have popped $100 into them. If you'd done that for every single one, 100 into each, a $2,600 investment would have netted you a profit of over 123 grand. Now that took around about 16 months to come to fruition. You don't have 16 months. We're in a bull cycle right now. If you've got cryptos you're not happy with, ones that aren't performing for you, you've got to get it fixed. If you don't know where to begin, have a look at copymycrypto.com/YouTube. This is the special offer I'm running right now for all my YouTube followers. You can get full access to the site, full membership for just half price. And there is a 60-day money-back guarantee. On the site, I share with my members the coins I own. Whenever I find any crypto that I think can do well, I jump onto my site, I tell my members about the crypto, the reasons I think it can do well, the price I'm going to buy it at. Whenever I sell a crypto, I do the same thing. So my members get in and out of coins, same price as me, so they make the same profit. If you go onto the site, you will see some of the profits the members have made. You will see some of the successes that led to those profits. These are public record, so you can verify them all online. Whether it is a meme coin the members were in and out of in just a fortnight, they did over 300x. Whether it is Phantom, which in the last bull cycle was one of the best performers. My members got in earlier than the entire market, basically. They got in at half a cent. It went up to $3.46. That's just shy of 700 times their investment. Some of my members became millionaires from that one alone. And if after reading through the site, verifying all you like what you see, and you want to find out the cryptos that are going to be the winners in this bull cycle this year, all you got to do to find out, guys, is join up on the site. Now, Hyperliquid. Hyperliquid. So, launched back in November, just $3. It's now sitting at $39. Hyperliquid is a blockchain platform that's designed for the efficiency and performance of DeFi apps. At its core is Hyperliquid, which is a novel layer 1 blockchain that is engineered from the ground up to optimize performance and scalability. The optimization is largely attributed to its consensus mechanism HyperBFT, which plays a massive role in ensuring its rapid transaction finality and security. So one of the big features of Hyperliquid is the DEX that they've got, but more specifically the Perpetuals DEX. They facilitate Perpetuals futures trading directly on the layer 1, and it sets itself apart by eliminating gas fees for transactions. So the approach not only reduces the cost barrier for participants, but also significantly enhances transaction speed and efficiency. They have a fully on-chain order book, which is pretty much a rarity in DEXs these days, because they usually rely on off-chain order books. Since getting up and running, Hyperliquid has absolutely rocketed in terms of the DEX itself. If we have a look at the DEX, you can see the sheer numbers that we're talking about here. So volume for Hype alone, 193 million. If we go to Bitcoin, you're talking about 6.7 billion. Solana, 880 million. I mean, you can go through. The actual numbers here are insane. Yeah, statistics are very, very, very strong for Hyperliquid. Total deposits, all time, 223 billion. Total withdrawals, 218 billion. Total volume, I mean, yeah, some days absolutely staggering. Like, again, cumulative volume is nothing short of incredible. But even if we're just talking about some specific coins, Bitcoin did 8 billion just a couple of days ago. Ethereum did 3.6. You know, you're getting incredible numbers coming through. And the reality is that actually people are using this as a first point of call for their longs and shorts now. And the longs and shorts offer quite a good range of leverage. Now, Bitcoin is up to 40. The rest, 25, no higher than 25x. Now that's not a bad thing. You should probably have a cap. Like, I don't think there should be 100x leverages. But yeah, in terms of total value locked, you got 646 million, which is less than you probably would have expected. But really what this is about is pure perpetuals, right? The perpetuals market here is staggering. And it's starting to, well, it's not there yet, but it is looking likely to be able to challenge a lot of the centralized exchanges that are doing very, very good volume. This can actually, in theory, do 200,000 transactions per second, which, if that is the case, would be staggeringly good. It would actually mean that Hyperliquid itself could run far more. It could run Visa in theory. Like, that's the level of speed that we're talking about here. And incredibly, Hyperliquid is still not on Binance, still not on Coinbase. It is on Bybit, BitGet, Gate, MEXC, KuCoin. Now, BitGet, if you're going to get it, I would highly recommend using BitGet. BitGet have one of the best welcome packs in crypto right now. You can join up today with the link in the description, and you'll be entitled to a welcome pack worth up to $6,200. Now, you're not going to just get that. You've obviously got to do some activity on the site, but if you do, you can scale up and you can earn. Also, if you're a good copy trader, if you're a good futures trader, not copy trader, their copy trading community is massive, and you can earn very, very well if people are copying along to your trades. They also have a leaderboard right now where the winners are entitled to quite a lot of capital. So it's worth having a look, because if you can climb up that leaderboard, you'll earn on top of the earnings from the copy trading, on top of the earnings from your very good trades. So worth a look, guys. As for Hyperliquid, staggering, really. It's doing, again, volume-wise, it's doing very, very good volume every day. It's not, by the way, it's not like hitting billions constantly, but it's doing very good volume, as you would expect. Slightly more, more is on the centralized exchange front, and it's weird to me that we haven't seen Binance or Coinbase jump on this yet. I expect that they will sooner or later. The reality is that Hyperliquid is doing better volume and earning better revenue than like any other blockchain project right now. Daily revenue that comes in, outstanding. Daily transaction volume that's coming in, outstanding. Binance will inevitably list this sooner or later, and when it does, this could absolutely rocket up. I don't think this is like it's going to be long before this coin is a $100 coin. I don't think it's long before we see this crypto hitting that sort of $30 billion mark. And there is no reason this can't just continue flying up, particularly if it gets Coinbase or a Binance listing. Future looks really, really bright for this, because right now, day traders, leverage traders are flocking to Hyperliquid. So definitely one to have on your radar, and less of a high risk play than a lot of the sort of cryptos that are knocking about in the market right now. Yeah, very surprising it's still not on Binance. Why do you think that is? Why do you think it's not on Binance yet? Maybe Binance are investors and are waiting for the right opportunity. Who knows? Let me know in the comments. Guys, we're in a bull cycle, and if you're sitting on cryptos you're not happy with, coins that are not performing for you, you've got to get it fixed. And if you don't know where to begin, have a look at copymycrypto.com/YouTube. This is the special offer I'm running right now for all my YouTube followers. You can get full access to the site, full membership for just half price. On the site, I share with my members all the coins I own. Whenever I'm ready to buy or sell any crypto, I tell my members the crypto that I'm going to be buying or selling, the price I'm going to be buying or selling at. So my members get in and out coins, same price as me, they make the same profit. On the site, you can see the profits my members have made, you can see the successes that led to them. Like Phantom. Phantom is now known as Sonic, but in the last bull cycle was one of the best performers. My members got in pretty much before the entire market. They got in at half a cent. It went up to $3.46. That is just shy of 700 times their investment. And that is public record. You can verify it on the history of this channel. And if you like what you see after you've read through the site and verified it all, and you want to find out the cryptos that are going to be the winners this bull cycle this year, all you got to do to find out, guys, is join up on the site. If you do, I'll see you there. Otherwise, folks, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.